Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Lebanese eggplant dip. First, let's prepare our star ingredient. Take one large eggplant and pierce it several times with a fork. This helps it cook evenly and allows the smoky flavor to penetrate. You can roast it directly over an open flame for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally, or bake it in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes until it's incredibly soft. This crucial step gives baba ganoush its signature smoky depth. Once your eggplant is perfectly roasted and cooled slightly, it's time to scoop out that tender, smoky flesh. Carefully cut the eggplant in half lengthwise and use a spoon to gently scrape all the soft pulp into a medium-sized bowl, discarding the skin. Now, let's build the base of our dip. Add 2 generous tablespoons of creamy tahini, a sesame paste, and 1 finely minced clove of garlic. These ingredients are essential for achieving that rich, authentic flavor and smooth texture. With our base ready, it's time to brighten up the flavors. Squeeze in the fresh juice from 1/2 of a lemon. This adds a wonderful tang that balances the richness of the tahini and eggplant. Next, season generously with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a good pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Now, grab a fork or a potato masher and thoroughly mash all the ingredients together until you reach your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, others super smooth, so mash to your preference. Finally, our delicious baba ganoush is ready to be served. Transfer the creamy dip to a beautiful serving dish, creating a slight well in the center. For that perfect finishing touch, drizzle generously with about 1 tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. This not only adds a lovely sheen, but also enhances the overall flavor. Garnish with a sprinkle of vibrant fresh parsley and a dash of paprika for a pop of color. Serve with warm pita bread or fresh vegetables. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.